Welcome to our humidifier showcase. Today, we'll explore the top humidifiers available on Amazon. Discover how these devices can improve your home's air quality by adding necessary moisture and relieving dry air symptoms. Let's dive in. This humidifier uses a built-in sensor to maintain optimal humidity levels automatically. It features a top-fill design, making it easy to refill and clean, and operates at a quiet 70 decibels, which is comparable to a ticking clock. This smart humidifier features a digital display and remote control, offering both cool and warm mist settings. It's equipped with an aroma pad for essential oils, making it versatile for different needs. Its large capacity and efficient performance make it ideal for large rooms. This model offers a large 6-liter tank capacity, covering up to 6 square feet. It can run for up to 2 hours on a single fill and includes an essential oil tray. Its near-silent operation and built-in night light make it a great choice for medium to large rooms. Known for its effectiveness in increasing humidity levels without producing visible mist, this humidifier is ideal for bedrooms. It features a dishwasher-safe tank for easy cleaning and operates quietly, making it suitable for overnight use. This affordable humidifier is perfect for small to medium rooms. It operates quietly, doubles as an essential oil diffuser, and features a top-fill design for easy refilling and cleaning. It's an excellent choice for those who need a reliable and cost-effective solution for dry air.